The ASU Library Map and Geospatial Hub is here to support your projects with geospatial resources and technical expertise. The best way to get in touch is by visiting our website, geospatial.asu.edu, and submitting a Map Geo Service Request. A member from our team will get back to you within 2 business days, but typically much sooner. The web form is dynamic and tailored for the resources and services offered by the Hub. If you're looking for geospatial data, maps, or imagery, it asks for 2 critical pieces of information: your geographic area of interest, where, and your time period of interest, when. These options change when you select software access or online training. You'll be presented with a short menu of the licensed software applications distributed by the Hub. Simply select the software you're interested in. Please provide additional details about your request with a question or comment. There's also a section to add attachments. This option can be used by instructors requesting a batch of licenses for all students in their course, or to illustrate technical details with an image. Whatever it may be, the best way to get in touch with the Map and Geospatial Hub is by submitting a service request at geospatial.asu.edu. You'll hear back from a team member within 2 business days, but probably sooner. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy mapping.